I'm Anil Kumar. Let us solve a rational equation in this particular video. The equation is solve x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 equals to 2x divided by 2x plus 6. So whenever you are working with rational equations, it is important to write down the restrictions first. Denominator cannot be 0, so x is not equal to minus 3. X can be any real number but minus 3. Now let's try to solve it. So we have x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 equal to 2x. We can take 2 common here, so we get 2 times x plus 3. Now we have x plus 3 in the denominators, which we can cancel. So we have x minus 1 equals to, so as you can see, 2 and 2 also cancels out, so we get x minus 1 equals to x, right? Now if you simplify this, bringing x to the right side, we get x minus x equals to 1 or 0 equals to 1. Now as you know, 0 is never equal to 1, right? And therefore we have no solution. Right? This is never true, right? This is never true. And therefore, we have no solution. So that is how you should be actually solving such equations. Now here is a word of caution. Sometimes what you can do is you can actually, at this stage, cross multiply and find the answer. You may get x equals to minus 3 as one of your solutions. In that case, let me show you. At this stage, let's move on to the right side and I'll provide you with an alternate solution. So what we get here is x minus 1 over x plus 3, and you could write this as x over x plus 3, right? So if you kind of cross multiply, we get x minus 1 times x plus 3 equals to x times x plus 3. Then x equals to minus 3 is the solution, right? Because that will make both sides 0, correct? Bringing all the terms together, we'll get that solution, right? Let me show you further. We could write this as x minus 1 times x plus 3 minus x times x plus 3 equals to 0. Taking x plus 3 common, you will get x minus 1 minus x equals to 0, and that is minus of x plus 3 equals to 0, and from here x equals to minus 3 becomes your solution. Remember, this is not a part of your domain, and therefore you cannot treat this as your solution, right? Now the one which I gave you right in the very beginning is the right way of solving, and clearly we see that there is no solution. Important thing here to realize is that always write down the restriction first and then find the solution. Once you get the solution, check with your restriction. The restriction can never be part of your solution. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.